Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make cup sushi. Here are the ingredients. You need cooked Japanese rice. If you live in the States and if you know Nishiki rice, it is the kind of the rice I'm using. To make sushi rice, you can add sushi vinegar or you can make the sushi vinegar from scratch. I have the recipe in the description box, so please check it out. To make Tamago Soboro, put everything in a pot. Then mix with a whisk. Put on low heat, keep stirring with a whisk until the egg turns into crumbles. Then let it cool. Now you need a small cup. Place crunchy wakame salad. I have the recipe already. Then sushi rice. Tamago Soboro. Sushi rice again. Sakura Denbu. I think it is sold in the fridge of the Japanese grocery stores. Then sushi rice. Now garnish with the toppings to finish. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
好きな具をトッピングして作ってみてください。今回はイクラをトッピングにしているので、お醤油はなしで美味しくいただけます。でも、もしね、場合によって味のないね、お魚ばっかりが乗っている場合は、お醤油をかけて食べてください。このね、きゅうりのね、サラダの代わりにアボカドもおすすめです。ぜひ作ってみてください。バイバイ